Good morning and happy Monday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. It is September 11th, 2023. Today's tip comes from the Medical Malpractice Myth by Tom Baker. He writes, "One very clear conclusion emerges from the research on medical malpractice and medical malpractice lawsuits. The real medical malpractice problem is medical malpractice. It is not pretty to say, but doctors and nurses make preventable mistakes that kill more people in the United States every year than workplace and automobile accidents combined." Yeah, so the real medical malpractice problem is not that lawsuits are being brought, but that there's underlying malpractice that necessitates those lawsuits be brought. Uh, when there's medical mistakes. Interesting language, right? Medical mistakes. I think of all civil lawsuits for negligence, and it's important that we, as plaintiffs, trial lawyers, educate the jury that we're not here saying that somebody did something wicked or evil, that they intentionally caused harm. Otherwise, it'd be a criminal case for murder or assault. Because it's very easy for jurors to say, well, this person didn't mean it. We're going to find in favor of the defendant. They didn't mean to hurt somebody. And of course, they didn't mean it. Sometimes there's more egregious actions, and some states will ask for punitive damages. But aside from that, there's a mistake. And yes, that's exactly what the law is for. When someone does something that was preventable, that wasn't reasonable, then the jury gets to assess what the amount of harm is and return that in the way of a verdict. Doesn't that make sense? If I harm somebody, not intentionally, a client, let's say, I have legal malpractice insurance. I hope it kicks in and helps that person who was harmed by my mistake. And shouldn't healthcare professionals want the same? Shouldn't truck companies, shouldn't department stores where someone's tripped and fell? Isn't that why they have insurance? I understand we can't say insurance in trial. It'd be too powerful, right? To really tell the jury what's going on. So we're not allowed to do that. And still, I think it's important that we talk about what is a negligent suit. We're not saying somebody did something evil, and yet the law says you have to make up for the harm you caused when you're the wrongdoer. Let's take a deep breath together and be aware of being alive, being grateful to be alive today. May we work today to reduce suffering in the world. May our efforts as lawyers and as people help to repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately advocate for our clients and champion their stories this Monday. All right, I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you it's Monday. Go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.